How to watch YouTube while playing Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can watch YouTube while playing Roblox. So let's get started. So the first setting that you'll need to do is head over to your settings app. After you're there, scroll down till you find General. Head over to General. After you're on your General, right here you will see an option called Picture in Picture. Tap on Picture in Picture and make sure that this is turned on. After you've selected and turned Picture in Picture on your general settings, you can then go back to your home page. Now, after you're here, before we move on with this, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's continue. What you'll now need to do is open up our YouTube. Then after you're here, go to your profile on the bottom right, then on your settings on the top right. After you're there, you can then scroll down till you find video and audio preferences. Right there, you'll see the playback option. Tap on playback. Now right here, there will need to be an option called, again, the same one, that is your picture in picture. On the bottom, right below plain feedbacks, there you should see a picture in picture option. So after you see that option, you will need to turn that on for you to be able to watch YouTube while playing Roblox. So if you don't have that in mind, you won't be able to play or watch, play and watch at the same time. So what you'll need to do is update your app, do, anything that you want, just update the app and get the feature here. After you get the feature here, you're good to go. And after you've turned that on, you can play a video and simply go to the home page and right, on the bottom, you'll find your video still running. And that's how you watch YouTube while playing Roblox. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.